Friends, this is an example of mixed referencing. On the left hand side, we can see a length 1, 2, 3, 5 is given and the width of area is given, and we have to calculate the area. If we multiply length with the width, we can have the area. On the right hand side, the solution is given, so we'll try to solve our problem and check with the solution whether we are doing it correct or not. So the area can be calculated is equal to length into width. 1 into 1 is 1, that is okay, and we can drag it down. This does not match. This is 3 and 7.5 and it is not matching with the answer 2 and 2.5. Let us go to show formulas and see if any mistake is there and what is the mistake. We'll go to formulas and click on show formula. Now you see B4 C4. When we drag it this B4 to C4, B5 becomes C5, D5 E5. Right? That is okay because width is okay. What we call is B5 becomes C5, D4 becomes E4, F4. So that is okay because C4, D4, E4, F4 is these columns, and that means these data. Width is okay, but the length 1 B5 always changes. B5 becomes, now you see C5 is referring to B5 into C4. This column is referring to this column. And that is not correct because every time I want B5 here only. B5, 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 B5. That means I have to fix B5 here because B has to be here and 5 is already here. The row is in 5, so 5 is here. I have to fix B. If I fix B, put a dollar sign here and I drag it on the right hand side. Let me check if I get the answer. I go to show formulas and yes, my answer is correct. So I'll drag it down also and see if there is a mistake. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5. But after that mistake is there. That means by 2, 3, 5, maybe by fluke or otherwise, I have to check it out why this mistake is happening. So let us again go to the formula and check out. I go to show formulas and see. Here what is happening? It is referring to B6. B6 into C5. B6 is okay, length is 2. And C5. I want it C4, not C5, right? Every time it has to be C4. When I drag it down, C4 has to be C4, but it becomes C5, C6, C7, E8. Every time I want it C4 because in this row, every time it has to be multiplied by 1 C4. C4 has to be C4. What I'll do is I'll put a dollar sign in front of 4. Right? That fixes my C4. If I drag it down, C4 is C4. Every time it refers to C4 only, right? I hope you can understand here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for length and C4 has to be always C4. In this way, I can select all these and drag to the right also so that other mistakes can be corrected. And let me close the show formula and see. Yes, my answer matches with the correct solution on the right hand side.